How to fix Resident Evil 4 Remake unable to load save data issue. To fix Resident Evil 4 Remake unable to load save data issue, you better keep the app up to date, install any official patches in time. Here are some other possible fixes you can try to fix the Resident Evil 4 Remake unable to load save data issue. 1. Check your internet connection. If your internet connection is not stable, it may cause the game to crash when trying to load your save data. 2. Check your save file. Your save file may be corrupted. To check your save file, go to the following location, *Windows *C:\users \left bracket username right bracket \documents \Capcom /Resident Evil 4 Remake \saves *Mac /library /container /com capcom.resident evil 4 remake.game /data /saves 3. If your save file is corrupted, you can try to recover it using a save file recovery tool. There are many save file recovery tools available online. 4. If your save file cannot be recovered, you will need to start a new game. If you have tried all of the above and the issue is still not fixed, you can contact Capcom support for further assistance.